Hi everybody, I want to explain how to show a diagram for 4/6 times 2/3. Okay, so the first thing you do is you look at the denominator on the fraction on the right, and it's 3. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a rectangle. It's not going to be to scale, and I have to make it into 3 parts. Okay, so there's my 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, and it's saying to 2 out of 3. So I'm going to shade with red 2 out of the 3 squares. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and switch my pen to a different color. I chose green. And this time I'm looking at the denominator and it says 6. So now I need to divide my diagram into 6 parts. Okay. And this time I'm going to go vertically. Okay. So I'm going to divide it first in half and then 3 and 6. Okay, now I have to shade 4 out of the 6 parts. So here's 1, and I'm just going to go the opposite direction. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I shaded 4 out of 6. Now, to find my answer, okay, we know that 6 times 3 is 18. We can also count our squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now, to figure out the answer on the top, we know that 4 times 2 is 8. But how can we show it in the diagram? I only count the squares that are both shaded with red and green. Okay, so if I count them, I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 that are shaded with both red and green. Okay, that's these right here. Okay, these are not shaded with both colors, and these are not shaded. And so my answer is 8 over 18. I can simplify it. Both top and bottom are divisible by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 18 divided by 2 is 9. So my final answer is 4/9. Okay, let's try one more. Okay, this time I'm going to have a fraction of 2/3 multiplied by 1/6. Okay, I'm going to start with the fraction here, and I'm going to make a shape that can be divided into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to use my paper here. Okay, and that's going to be 6 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here's 6. And I have my green, 1 out of 6. Here's my 1 out of 6. Okay. I'm going to switch colors, switch to blue. Now, when I look at this denominator, it's 3. So I'm going to take my diagram, and vertically, I'm going to divide it into thirds. So 1, 2, 3. Now, I need to shade 2 out of 3. So I'm going to shade, here's 1. 2 out of 3 are shaded. So my denominator, I can count all the parts, all the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And I know that 2 times 1 is 2, but how I can show it is I count the squares that are shaded both with blue and green, and it's only 2. Okay, so 2 out of 18. I can simplify this. I can divide both the top and the bottom with the least common multiple of 2, which is 1/9. Okay, I hope this makes a little bit more sense when you're trying to show the diagrams. Thank you.